Jungkook, whose full name is John Jungkook, is a South Korean singer, songwriter, and member of the popular K-pop boy band BTS, based in Sonyeondan. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I can provide some insights into Jungkook's lifestyle, but please note that his lifestyle may have evolved or changed since then. Music career. Jungkook is primarily known for his music career as a member of BTS. He plays a significant role in the group as the lead vocalist and is also known for his exceptional dancing skills. BTS has achieved global fame and success, making them one of the most influential K-pop acts worldwide. Schedule. Being part of BTS requires a demanding schedule. This includes recording music, practicing choreography, performing at concerts, making appearances on television and radio shows, and participating in various promotional activities. The group often tours internationally, which involves extensive travel. Training. Jungkook, like other BTS members, underwent years of training as an idol trainee under Big Hit Entertainment before debuting with the group. This training included singing, dancing, and other performance skills. Health and fitness. Maintaining good health and physical fitness is crucial for Jungkook and all members of BTS. They have personal trainers and nutritionists to help them stay in shape. Hobbies and interests. Jungkook has shared some of his hobbies and interests with fans over the years. He enjoys drawing, playing video games, and cooking. He has also expressed an interest in fashion and has been involved in designing some of BTS's stage outfits. Social media. Jungkook is active on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, where he occasionally shares updates with his fans. However, the level of activity on his personal depending on the group's schedule and personal preferences. Personal life. As a K-pop idol, Jungkook's personal life is relatively private, and he values his privacy. He has mentioned in interviews that he enjoys spending time with his family and close friends when he has the opportunity.